Hello there, this is Daniele from Toolchefs, and in this video we're going to have a look at how you can install the AtomsUnreal plugin on your machine and also install a node-locked license so that you can use AtomsUnreal. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to create an account on our website. So once you're registered and you're logged in, you will have access to our downloads page and also our My License page. So if you go under the downloads page, you will find software selection. So I've already selected Unreal. And my operating system is Windows, so I just selected Windows here. I'm gonna accept the terms of agreement, and down here this list will show up. If you see that this list is empty, it means that basically you don't have the cookies enabled for our website, so you can just enable them for the time that you need for downloading the plugin. As you can see here, for every version we have support for different Unreal versions. So for instance, for the latest you see here we have support for Unreal 4.26 and 4.25. If you click on one of these links, basically we'll download this zip file. So I've already downloaded the 4.26 plugin and it's here. So I can just unzip it. And in this folder here, what we'll have to do, basically what we'll have is like some instruction, the terms of agreement, and also this folder. So you want to copy this folder here under the, so if you go in C programs file, Epic Games, and then this is basically your Unreal Engine version. So because we downloaded the 4.26, I'm using Unreal Engine 4.26. Then you go under Engine and Plugins, and then you copy it here basically. Okay, cool. So now the plugin is installed. Another thing that we want to do is we want to download one of these demo projects. So basically what I've done is already downloaded the demo project. So you just click here and basically we'll download the demo project, and as you saw already, I have it here. So I'm just gonna unzip that and launch it. And as you will see, you will have basically this warning here, say please install a valid AtomsRT license, because of course you haven't installed one yet. So to do that, we're gonna go under the Atoms Cloud menu and then click on licensing. We're gonna copy paste our license key here. So the license key is basically the MAC address of your machine. So if you want to use Atoms on a machine, just make sure that you open this dialog and you get the license key for the machine that you want to use. This basically identifies your machine. So I'm gonna copy this key here. I'm gonna go back to the website. And in case you want to buy an indie license, you can just go under buy here. You can say I'm an indie, or you know, I'm a studio. In this case, I would say I'm an indie, and then you can select AtomsRT, which is the license for Unreal. The VFX one is the one for Maya and Houdini. If you want to buy them together, this basically we have this bundle, which is more convenient compared to purchasing these licenses separately. And then you would just copy the license key here, and then you can do accept and then buy. So basically you will get an indie license which is linked to this machine here. So in our case, what we want to do is we want to request a PLE. So I'm going to accept the terms of agreement under the My License page. Here I'm going to paste the basically the license key in the license key field, and I'm going to click store. This basically will store the license key on the website. And you need it there until at least you request the PLE. So we see now this green border. This means that the license key was stored. So now I can confirm that I want to use the PLE just for personal learning. I'm gonna click on request PLE license. And now we have the two PLE. So one is for the VFX. So again, if you want to learn Maya or Houdini, the Atoms Cloud in Maya and Houdini. Otherwise, you can, you know, we have also the AtomsRT license for Unreal. So I'm gonna download that one. Okay, so now I can go in the folder where I downloaded the file, the license, so it's here. And what I can do is in the install dialog, I'm gonna click on install license. So it's here, I'm gonna click open. And basically now the license dialog is telling us, okay, you have correctly installed the license and it was copied into this folder. So if by any chance you want to copy it manually, or you want to basically anyway know where the license is, To access that folder, basically what you can do is you can type local app data in any browser and then /toolchefs, and this will take you into this folder. The file that we just copied is this atomsrealtime.leak. It's important that the name is this one, like actually it's case sensitive, so make sure that you have a capital R. All the other characters should be in lowercase. And if we open that file, we see here that we have the license type, and this is our license key. So that was done correctly, so that was installed correctly. You can of course also copy the file manually, but just make sure again that the file name is correct. So now I can close Unreal, and I'm gonna launch again the project. And if we install the license correctly, we should see some agents appearing in the viewport. Yeah, so now I can press play and the animation, the simulation is running. So basically, yeah, this is the way how you can install the AtomsUnreal plugin, and now you can request a PLE. With the PLE, of course, you'll have the limitations of the PLE license, so you will just be able to simulate a certain number of agents and so on. But if you buy an unlimited license, you will have all the features that are available with Atoms. And this is all for this video. Thanks for watching.